Yeah, but while they're squabbling, they ain't fencing the vase, neither. That vase is just gonna stay locked up in Lord Donald's lair. Ain't doing me no good, neither. That sapphire vase is worth more than the rest of the score from Randall's combined. I didn't become a downwinder to work for free. I want my cut. But why are the handmaids the only ones allowed in? Why won't they allow us into their towers? But what with all the secrecy? Even the servants ain't allowed there. These wizards trust anyone? These mages are not ones to be trifled with. Saw 'em use their magic on old Bradward. The mages caught 'em stealing lupins from the tables of the meeting hall. One of 'em summoned great hurtling balls from the sky, glowing rocks from the moon they was, and they mashed in his poor skull. Not the ticket office, 'cause if I were a thief, that's where I'd go. If there's trouble, someone needs to guard the cloak check girl. She's all alone with no one to talk to. And to guard that watery stone nobody cares about, excepting Lady Valerius.
And when are they going to bring me my dinner? That's what I want to know. When is they going to bring me my dinner? I don't see why I should have to be the one down here in the cold and the dark and the damp. And the people up above me get all the light and get all the favors, and I don't have another thing to eat in days. Bah.
Hello? Show yourself. Hello? Is someone there? Sir? Was that you? Who's there? Is someone there? What's there? Is it just me, or did something move? Over there! Who's there? Who said that? Someone making noise? Listen! Hear that? Will you quit making noise? I think I heard something. Did you hear a noise? You hear that? Thought I saw something. Hey, I think I saw something over here. Look over there. You see something? Over there. There's... I saw something. Look there. See anything? Hey! Come out at once. Who's there? In the shadow. Who goes there? Hey! Hey! Someone there? Who is that? Come out, you! Who's there? Who made that noise? Who'd I hear there? Come on out, then! Don't make me come find you! Where are you, you taffer? We'll find you soon enough! I see you there! Show yourself! Hey! Put him down! Come here! Hey, stop! Don't move! There's an intruder here! All right, you're in for it now, thief! Don't move! Huh? Halt! Hey, who are you? Intruder! Help! Help! Thief! Just make one little noise. I'll find you. Just you wait. Come out and face me, thief. Get back here, you coward. The alarm for you. Half a moment will bring them all. I'll get the alarm. You sound the alarm. I'll hold him off. You, alarm! Coward! Fight me to my face, most treacherous villain! Come fight me, you coward! Into the open, you villain! Help! I am under attack! Oh, he's got me! Do you see him? I'm hit! Help! A yard of pain for you!
Try and catch this! Can't run faster than an arrow, Taffer! Oh! Fall over! Take that! Got you now! Teach you a lesson! He'll fall soon! Oh, well, guess it was nothing.
Hello? Anyone there? Guess not. Oh, well. Don't know what it was. Must have been imagining things. Seems quiet enough now. Oh, well.
Nothing making noise now. Nothing here now. Next time you won't be so fast. I'll see your blood yet. You cannot block them all. We'll wear 'em down. Maybe next time. I can keep this up all day. Huh, huh. Nice try. He's pretty slow. We can take him.
Are you all right? No, of course you're not all right. Sorry.
You'll pay, thief. Hey, I'm going to the bear pits tomorrow. You want to come with? What? You soft belly. The bears have got these new muzzles with underslung cheek spikes. Last time I was there was a real eye gouging. Huh! Surprised you're even in this job.
Ooh, the blood, it just turns my poor tummy.
No paw hooks? What'd they do? Just bump into each other? Bears? You're toughing me. They look pretty mangy harmless, long as they're not wearing harness. Whoa! Killer bears! Would have liked to see that. Nah, you always win. Lost enough money. Like that helps me, you taffer. Well, all right. Stone, curse it! How do you do that? Here you go. Double or nothing. Stone or coin. Damn you! Here. Oh, get away from me. Last time we went this way, I owed you 3 weeks. Don't worry. I won't spook and hit the alarm if I hear a rat, like I did last time. With the gears and blades and all? Big mistake. Come home, forget to pull the lever, then the missus gets chopped to bits. Not to mention 2 guys with swords not getting paid no more. Jorik tells me the hammers are gonna close down Craig's Cleft. Dunno. Toss them into a well or something. Anyhow, they just don't have enough guys no more. Yep, Cyric over Bond, 3-2. And also when the war ends. Sure. Money now. Hey, you remember when the Baron's police took down the wall? I hear it was Raputo turned him over. What do you mean? What's wrong with us? That's stupid. People to worry about there on the inside. Oh! What am I not doing? Hammer's got it good. Just smash 'em flat with those things. I thought he'd a good mood. Seen the new room? The trees? Likes to do all the patrols there. Not me. Sees you napping a bit. Rather be sleeping, though. Mine too. Hail, brother in arms. What's up? Yep. Nothing ever happens. Halt! Who goes there? You asked for it. You're dead, pal. Together we can take him. Get him! Get the taffer! Oh, turning turtle, are we? I can wait, taffer. I can wait. Running scared now? We've got him on the defense. Move along. Go on. Beat it. You're bleeding. There. Ready to die yet? that sting a little. He's not long for it now. You hit him now. No, can't take much more. Ouch! Ouch! Ha ha ha! Was that supposed to hurt? Nice love pat, Taffer. Look at this Taff. Hey, over here. Look here. Uh-oh. He's around there somewhere. Hey, you. Come back. Where did he go? Damn. Where's the thief now? We're under attack.
That's supposed to be here.
Some Taffer's stolen the scepter. The thief's been here.
We're late at night again, and I'm the only one on this whole floor. I wish that I was on my own bed. I wish I had a job that paid a little bit better than this one. I'm tired, I'm sore, I'm sick, Oh, what the hell is that lying down there?
Watch your back. I've seen another just like it with a hole in it. Watch out! The intruder's a killer.
Careful. Thief's a killer. It's him what killed the boss. He's not leaving here alive. Watch for prowlers. I saw someone earlier. Stay alert. There's an intruder in the building. Thieves in. Watch for a thief. The Sir will reward us if we can get his goods back. Tell the rest. There's been things stolen. Thieves got the sword.
Be on guard. I think there was something a while back.
You see anything recently? I've been seeing things.
Watch out! There was something going on back there.
Thief the boss warned about is around. Guards! This way! To me! Cover me! Guards! Guards! Over here! Look at this. There's been an intruder. The Sir should hear of this. Some Taffers got in here. The thief's in.
Hey, this isn't supposed to look this way.
This isn't right. Found him! Got him! This way! There he is! Hurry!
Over here! Careful! He's armed! Hey! The intruder's right here!
Hey, I've got someone here! Got an intruder! The thief's here! There's a prowler here! Be off with you! No trespassing allowed! No more warnings, villain! Make yourself scarce! That's it! You've had it now! These pressure doors, they're a bloody nuisance. You gotta go out of your way just to find the taffin lever. Who'd break in here? The only action we get is when somebody tries to skim off the top. Hey, that's right. Be nice to bust some heads for a change.